Lori, I just wanted, or anybody else interested in Screencastify, I was just going to show you quick my Screencastify. So these are a bunch of recordings that I've made with it, my videos for math and everything. And up here in the corner, I've loaded this thing called Screencastify. And here you see this little thing. It gets loaded here, and I click on it. And right now you're seeing what I'm recording for you, but it would have a do it by webcam or browse or desktop. So right now I'm using what's called desktop. And then after I've recorded something, let's say this one right here, I just finished recording Little Pip with that. Then what I'm going to do is go to publish to YouTube after I'm done recording it. I can also click up here. I've already renamed it, but if I hadn't renamed it yet, I'd rename it, and I've been renaming it the name of the book. I can also go up here and open an editor, and I can edit this, shorten it up. Editing takes me forever, so I just keep doing the video till it's good enough, and then I put it up. I can also share to my classroom. So right here, I can click on this. This is really cool. And after I've clicked on that, share to classroom, they want you to choose the class. So if I click here, I can go down to my classroom. I can also put it on the other teacher's classroom if I want to, but I can click on my classroom and like, do I want it to be an assignment, or do I want to ask a question, make an announcement, do material, and then I hit go. I'm not going to put that on right now because I've been sending it via email, but I can. And publishing to YouTube, let me show you how that works. So I already set up a YouTube channel. So this is connected. This is my email under Betty Nelson. I make it public. You can also make it private. It's telling me it's already been published. It doesn't want to publish it again. And then I can copy the link, so I can send it as links to people through email, or I can go view what I did in YouTube if I want. So that's all really nice. So that is kind of how I've been doing it. To make your own YouTube channel, I want to say it was pretty quick and easy. I just went into YouTube while I was also in Gmail. I'd already logged into Gmail.
Writing's not that easy.
And over here, I was able to, here's my email. I was able to go into my channel. It's called Your Channel. So I just went into YouTube while I had been logged into my Google account, and I went into my channel. So I'll go into my channel so you can kind of see this. And I went ahead and I think it's home. Sometimes I have to play with this a little, Lori, to be honest. Nope, there's some of my daughter's favorite things. Overdue plaque removal. Your videos, sorry. Go into your videos, and you can look at your videos, and then when you're ready to do one, create a video or post. But I also showed you on Screencastify how it just automatically goes in. See, this is Clever, log into Google, and how to get your Google Classroom with Clever. So those are both on there. And in just a minute, it takes a while. The one I'm doing with you will go on. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. So, all right. I think that's it. I'm going to send this to you now. Talk to you later. Bye.